Good morning, class. Let's start question number 11 of exercise 9C. At what rate percent per annum will rupees 800 amount to rupees 1000 in 2 years? In this question, write what is given. Amount is equal to rupees 1000. Time is equal to 2 years. Now, principal is equal to rupees 800, because here what rate percent per annum will rupees 800 अमाउंट टू रुपीज़, यानी कि 800 रुपीज़ 1000 में किस रेट से कन्वर्ट होंगे, इसका मतलब इट इज़ पी, इट इज़ ए. नाउ फाइंड रेट. फर्स्ट वी फाइंड द सिंपल इंटरेस्ट, बिकॉज रेट फाइंड करने के लिए हमें सिंपल इंटरेस्ट की नीड होती है. तो सिंपल इंटरेस्ट इज इक्वल टू ए माइनस पी. 1000 माइनस 800 is equal to rupees 200 is equal to simple interest. Now find the rate. Rate is equal to simple interest into 100 divided by P into T. Simple interest is equal to 200 into 100. P 800 multiply by T is equal to 2. 2 0 cut by 2 0, 2 cut by 2, 2 4 ज़ा 8, 2 5 ज़ा 10, 0 का 0, अगेन 2 2 ज़ा 4, 2 2 ज़ा 2 5 ज़ा. तो कितना आ गया बच्चों? R इज इक्वल टू 25/2. नाउ इफ वी डिवाइड 25 by 2 वी गेट 12 होल 1/2%. इट मीन्स रेट इज इक्वल टू 12 होल 1/2%. क्लियर? नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 12. At what rate percent per annum will rupees 728 reduce rupees 113.75 as simple interest in 2.5 years? In this question, first give the P. P is equal to rupees 728. Now simple interest is equal to 113.75 rupees. Time is equal to 2.5 years. Now find the rate. Rate is equal to SI into 100 P into T. Clear? SI is equal to 113.75 multiply by 100 divided by 728 into 2.5. After the decimal 2 digits, so we write here 100, and after the digit 1 place, so we write 10 here. 100 cut by 100. Now 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25. 5 2s are 10, 5 2s are 10 again, 5 7s are 35, 5 5s are 25. तो कितना आ गया बच्चों? 2275 into 2 divided by 728. Now 728 divided by 2, 2 3s are 6, 1 or 2 12, 2 6s are 12, 2 4s are 8. Now 2275 divided by 364. If we divide 2275 by 364, we get 6.25%. डिवाइड करके आप चेक करेंगे. 364 2275. क्लियर? देखिए 364 6 जा 2184, Now it is 910. 5 minus 4 1, 17 minus 8 9. We take point and take 0 here. 2s are 364, 2s are 728. 10 minus 8 2, 10 minus 2 8. Now 8 minus 7 1. We take one more 0. 5s are 1820. तो कितना आ गया बच्चों? R is equal to 6.25%. Clear? Now question number 13. Mr. Lakshmi Kant borrowed rupees 10,000 from SBI for a fixed time of 2 years 6 months. Find the interest and the amount paid by him if the rate of interest is 13% per annum. So first we write Lakshmi Kant borrowed 10,000 rupees. It means principal is equal to rupees 10,000. टाइम बाद में लेंगे, पहले हम लेंगे रेट. रेट इज इक्वल टू 13% पर एनम. नाउ टाइम, वी टेक टाइम 2 years 6 months. 6 months convert into the year. 6 months is equal to 6 upon 12. 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12. It means 1 upon 2 years. तो टोटल टाइम कितना हो गया बच्चों? 2 whole 1 upon 2 years means 2 2s are 4, 4 1 plus 1 5, 5 upon 2 years. अब ये टाइम आ गया. अब आपको फाइंड क्या करना है? फाइंड द इंटरेस्ट एंड द अमाउंट पेड बाय हिम. तो फर्स्ट फाइंड simple interest is equal to P into R into T upon 100. P is equal to 10,000. R is equal to 13. Time is equal to 5 upon 2 upon 100. 100 से ये 2 0 कट गई. इसको कट करिए. 2 5s are 10. 0 का 0 50 and 13 5s are 65. Now 5 5s are 25, 5 6s are 30, 30 and 1 31, 0 का 0. तो बच्चों ये कितना, सॉरी 5 5s are 25, 5 6s are 30, 30 और 2 32. तो कितने रुपीज़ आ गया इंटरेस्ट? सिंपल इंटरेस्ट इज इक्वल टू रुपीज़ 3,250. Now find the amount. Amount is equal to principal plus simple interest. Principal is equal to कितना है बच्चों? 10,000. SI is equal to 3,250. तो अमाउंट कितना आ गया? अमाउंट इज इक्वल टू 13,250. फाइंड द इंटरेस्ट एंड द अमाउंट पेड बाय हिम. तो आप क्या लिखेंगे? ही पेड 13,250 rupees. Clear?